Okay, well, we've worked with solving for x and solving for y. Now we're dealing with a word problem relating to the same idea of just solving for x or solving for y. A stone is thrown into the air. Its height above the ground is given by the function. So, h of t, what does that mean? Height in relation to time. So, where t is the time in seconds from when the stone is thrown. How high is the stone above the ground at t equals 3? So, part A, all we're doing is we're saying t equals 3. So, height when time is 3 is equal to negative 5. 3 squared plus 30 times 3 plus 2 equals 9 times negative 45 plus 90 plus 2. So 47. More importantly, height is a measure in meters. So that's it for part A. Nice, easy, basic problem so far. B. So, actually, I'll go back to that answer quickly. Height, when time is 3 seconds, is equal to 47 meters. Okay, so from what height above the ground was the stone released? So my starting point, how do I know where the stone was released? My starting point is when t equals 0. Time is 0. The stone hasn't been thrown yet. This also happens to be my y-intercept. So, what do we need to do? We're going to sub t equals 0 in to solve. So, h, when time equals 0, is negative 5, 0 squared plus 30 times 0 plus 2. So the stone was thrown from 2 meters above ground. At what time is the stone's height above the ground 27 meters? Now, this is saying, I'll put the C. H of t equals 27 meters. Height is 27 meters, but we don't know what t is. That's unknown to us. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace h of t with 27. So we get 27 equals negative 5 x squared plus 30x plus 2. Whatever method we want to use to solve will depend in a minute. So what we're going to do is we're going to have 0 equals negative 5 x squared plus 30x minus 25. Minus 25. Personally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out the negative 5. Actually, I'm going to divide everything by negative 5. So 0 equals x squared minus 6x plus 5. From here to here, divide by negative 5. So, why would I do that? Simplifies it. Two numbers multiplied together. What times what equals 5. But when you add them together, they equal negative 6. Well, two negatives make positives. So negative 1 times negative 5. Sorry, that should be plus. Equal negative 6. And negative 1 times negative 5 equals positive 5. So 0 equals x minus 1, x minus 5. So x equals 1 or x equals 5. What's the point in that? What do we got? That means our parabola, which give you an idea, when x equals 1, y equals 27. When x equals 5, y also equals 27. So I'm not sure exactly how it works, but we do know this as well. 2 meters. Our parabola goes like this, something like that. And we've managed to solve for x and solve for y, quote unquote, for this problem. We have everything one thing. That should be 1 second or 5 seconds. Back to my checklist on word problems, and I forgot to put units, so there they are. Hopefully you will find these useful.